Hi guys, I'm Raksha, and in this video we are going to learn about 3 ways to create a paginated report or an SSRS report. Ideally both are identical. So let's get started. The first way is using the Visual Studio. So in the Visual Studio, as you can see in this left hand side, we can configure the data sources and data sets. After you have successfully configured and got your data, you can then move to the canvas area. So this is the canvas area where you can design your report how it looks, and then later on you can preview it. The final result will be in the runtime query. So this is the runtime query and this is your final report. All you need is this extension, the reporting services extension, in order to create a project in Visual Studio. Next, we are moving to two other options, which is the report builder and Power BI report builder. So the report builder is that of a red icon app. So as you can see, when I open this, so it gives me a pop-up window with getting started and all the different types of layouts. So this is the red icon here, and if I just expand my screen, so you can see this is much cleaner and neat. So again, in the left hand side you shall see that you can configure your data sources and data sets. This is your designing area, and then this is your runtime query. So when you hit this, you shall see that how your report finally looks. The last option is the Power BI report builder. So if I open this, you can see that it is similar to report builder. The only difference is that of this logo. The Instead of that red icon, red logo, we have this Power BI report builder icon. So rest everything looks same. You can see we have this canvas area, the space where you can configure your data sources and data sets, and the runtime query. So I hope this was informative. Thank you for watching.